Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add picture layout in Photoshop. Okay, open your Photoshop. Then go to Apex Style, or you added this option. Simply go to Window tab and select Style. Okay. Then select the Apex and now see this many styles or layout. Okay, I added this layout. Simply go to shape, select custom shape tool, and now see this many shape. Add your shape. Select the color. I select white. Okay, hold alter. Change the color. Now see this many color. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.